Hey everybody, it's David Pingree with Troy Lee Designs, and here today I'm going to walk you through the SE4 Polyacrylite helmet. Let's start with what's in the box when you order one of these things. And this model here is kind of what we consider our better model. We've got good, better, best, and with the GP, the SE4 Polyacrylite, and the SE5. So this helmet comes with a head sock, or helmet sock rather. Comes with owner's manual, some reflective tape you can put around your helmet if you ride at nighttime or on the road at all. And it comes with an extra set of visor screws. These are plastic breakaway screws. We'll talk a little bit more about those here down the road. So this is what you get, which is really all you need when you go to the track to be set up with a helmet, a place to keep it from getting scratched and beat up. And it's a beautiful helmet. All right, let's talk a little bit about the specifications of this helmet. We'll start with the weight, 1,500 grams, very competitive weight in terms of helmets of this range. We've got a lot of ventilation, but a lot of the same safety features are there, including the MIPS, which protects against rotational injury. You've got fully removable, washable cheek pads and helmet liner. These are quick release as well, which is a really cool safety feature. If you do have a big crash and potentially have a neck injury, being able to remove these easily and quickly for EMS on scene is going to be big, so they don't have to pull any kind of traction on your neck and make that injury worse. So very important there. Another safety feature on this, the MIPS C system, and it's basically designed with a couple of elastomers in there to slide on top of the EPS. That's how this system works to reduce rotational forces and impact when in a crash. These are plastic breakaway visor screws. So in a crash, if the visor goes in, you don't want that torque to kind of twist the helmet. These are designed to break away. The helmet or the visor will fly off and protect any of that rotational injury there. We've got EPP in the front of this helmet, and it's important because a lot of times we take our helmet between rides and we'll set it on our handlebar right here. Well, if any of those clutch lever or perch or anything dig into an EPS, it's going to crush and it's not going to return to its original shape. The EPP will return to its original shape, keeping that safety factor in there, which is important. Another big factor is fitting it, okay? And TLD was really important. It was important to them to find helmets that fit a wide size of heads and different shapes and things like that. So there are 3 different shell sizes in the adult, and then 2 liner sizes for each of those. So really 6 different options where you can really take different size cheek pads and helmet liner and customize them to fit your face. If you got round cheeks like me, maybe you need a thinner cheek pad but a thicker top. Whatever it is, you can make one of these things fit really well, and that's key in order to make these things perform properly. So big improvement there. And if you notice, EPS still the single best product in terms of single impact energy absorption, and TLD is constantly pushing the boundaries of how much we can fit into these helmets. It's been increased with the last rendition through the front, which is where a lot of the impacts happen, big impacts. So really jumps up the safety numbers on these. For the SE4 Polyacrylite, they are DOT and ECE certified. So you've got that going for you as well. Very safe helmet, very cool looking. Lots of features on these things. So guys, if you are in the market for a helmet, the SE4 Polyacrylite helmet is an awesome option for you. Comes in all of the cool Troy Lee Design styles, so very fast, very sexy looking, tons of safety features. This is one of the few helmets that I do trust my own head in, so I highly recommend it. Get down to TroyLeeDesigns.com if you are shopping online, or find your local authorized Troy Lee Designs dealer. They should have them for you to look at.